Hello, hello, my besties! How are you? Welcome to my DIY channel! I'm making a garland for my door today, and I wasn't gonna even record a video, but then I thought about it. Maybe one of you needs to see this. Maybe I will show you a trick or two that's gonna come in useful to you. Why not, right? So there I am, turning on my camera and taking you along. If you like what you see, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and that way we will become besties and you're not gonna miss any of my future videos, okay? Let's get started. So I have some Dollar Tree ornaments here and ribbons. So as usual, this is gonna be so budget friendly and beautiful high-end look.
And here's my old Walmart garland. I wrapped it around with the Christmas lights already. If you don't have one laying around, you can get it at Walmart for under $3. If you want Santa to stop by your house, make sure you get the sign at a Dollar Tree. I had already attached it to my garland with some hot glue, just like so. It's a two-piece set with the dangling feet, so you can put the garland in between. If you have the elf sign, same idea. Well, I don't know if you know, we created a countdown calendar for only $2 in this video. In addition, we're going to be using those Dollar Tree ornaments, 5 for $1, 12 for $1, great deal. Same with the ribbons, $1 ribbons. This one actually with the candy cane trim is my favorite find this year. Look at that sparkle, isn't that gorgeous? I'm going to also use this ribbon from a Christmas tree shop. Dollar Tree has a similar ribbon. Use what you have. Also, you're going to need some wire and any pigs berries that you have. First, we are going to cut our ribbon in 12-inch long pieces. I start off with 2 sets, but later we're going to cut more. I fold the ribbon in half to find the midpoint and then pinch it. Pinch it all together in the middle, and we are going to tie it with a wire. I'm actually using those Christmas hanger hooks from the Dollar Tree as my wire to tie these down. I flip it up a little bit. I'm actually going to flip these to the side because these will be used on both sides of the sign. So I'm pushing them all to the side like this, like in a fan shape. Okay, let's make one more. You notice I put the thinner ribbon on top of the wider ribbon, but it doesn't have to be the 2 widths of ribbon. Any ribbon will work. And now we are just attaching this on both sides of the sign, just like so. And what an instant decoration, right? Such an inexpensive way to decorate a garland. So we're gonna make 4 more sets like that, and let's attach that throughout the garland. And I want you to notice that you can spread these out in different shapes, like the fan shape, like we did already before, or like a bow, something like this. Spread these out, and this is would be perfect for the middle of your garland. Let me just show you. I'm attaching the fan-shaped ones to each corner. You see how they perfectly highlight the corners there, and the bows through the middle of my garland. You see what I mean? This is perfect. And now for the ends, I'm gonna cut slightly longer strips. But look at this, I just started a new roll of ribbon, and wow, this never happened to me before, but how disappointing is this? Dollar Tree, what are you doing? And now for the ends, we are going to cut 2 sets, 15 inches long. We are going to tie them, pinch them in the middle, just like we did before, form like fan shape again. I don't know if there's such a shape, but now you know what I mean. And yes, Coco's interested what I'm doing in her territory over here today. And as you can see, so much color already from the ribbons. So we use about 9 feet of ribbon of each color. Wait a minute, Coco, are you serious? You're gonna have a dinner here now? Oh my gosh, she is too funny. We are ready to add our ornaments now. But first, I remember I had these solar lights. I don't know if they really work, but I just love the shape of them. And I had 4. I'm going to add one in between on each side. Just hang them on my branches. And they're so cute, oh my goodness. I wish I got more. Have you tested these already? Do they really light up? Please comment down below, let us know. And here's a special message for you, straight from the North Pole.
Hello, my bestie. Your dear friend Kathy from My DIY asked me to give you a message. May your holidays be blessed with much love and happiness. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe. Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
And now we are going to make ornament clusters. I cut the pipe cleaners in half, and you had seen me do this before. I think I'm gonna leave off the golds and just use the candy cane, red and green. That's what I have in my ribbons and sign. Create little clusters like that for a bigger impact. And we are going to attach these in between, just like so. Also, if you have any jumbo ornaments, you can attach those as well. And I have 2 single ones. I'm going to put these in the middle, in the center of those bows. I have some leftover holly berry pieces that I'm going to add throughout my garland. It's always nice to add a little bit other greenery or Christmas pigs for some additional interest. I also cut apart a red berry bush, and I'm just going to add this in between as well for a little pop of red. And once you like the position, you're going to hot glue everything in. Use a floral wire if you think you're going to reuse that garland for something else in the future. And here's the look at the final result. I think it's pretty fabulous considering these are mostly Dollar Tree items, and I spent only around $15 to decorate it. And here it is lit up. And if you're interested, the candy cane I created on my channel last year, I think it goes perfectly here because of that little Santa Stop Here sign and little mailbox for Santa's letter. This was also made on the budget.
See you soon. Have a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
Alright, my besties, so this is it for today. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, please give me thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, that way you're not gonna miss my future videos coming up, okay? Take care, Merry Christmas, bye bye!
You better watch out, you better not cry, you better not pout, I'm telling you why. Santa Claus is coming to town. He's making a list, he's checking it twice, he's gonna find out who's naughty or nice. Santa Claus is coming to town. He sees you when you're sleeping, he knows when you're awake, he knows if you've been bad or good, so be good for goodness sake. Ooh, you better watch out, you better not cry, you better not pout, I'm telling you why. Santa Claus is coming